Hi, I'm Phil, and a couple of weeks ago my wife and I took a road trip to the Yukon, and during that road trip we stopped at this rest area by the side of the highway, and it was such a beautiful view. I thought that this would be a great place to fly my drone. Now, just to give you an idea of what the terrain is like, if we look over to this side, we've got an incredibly deep, steep gorge beside us. And if we look to this side, there's an incredibly high mountain peak just to my left. So since it was the morning, like now, and I wanted the light to be good, I thought I would fly up the mountain because it's so beautifully lit by the sunshine. And now that we're on our way back from the road trip, I'm stopping here so that I can explain a bit about the flight, so that it'll give you some context for the video. So the main problem I had here is that I couldn't get a fix on very many GPS satellites because we've got mountains in every direction. So only a small portion of the sky is visible. So at first I only had a fix on 4 satellites. And then after about 5 minutes it got up to 6 satellites. And I thought, oh, what the heck, let's just fly this out and we'll fly it back. But what I noticed is that DJI Fly limited my height to 10 meters. So I couldn't fly up the mountain. So all I could do was fly out that side. So anyway, there's the context. I'm now going to show you some video from the controller and video from the Mavic Mini, and I'll sort of give you what my stream of thoughts were as I was flying this, as I was taking this flight.
It's too bad I can't fly up the mountain, but you know, this is nice. I should get some good video today. Okay, let's take a look down into the gorge. Oh wow, that must be Cayush Creek. Let's follow the creek downstream. I wonder how far away my lovely little drone is. Okay, that's weird. Why isn't the distance showing? Could this have something to do with the lack of GPS signal? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it doesn't know the distance from the home point because it doesn't know where the home point is. And that means that if I lose track of the drone, the return to home function won't work. Okay, let's stop this flight and bring the drone back right now. Why are my hands shaking so badly? Let's calmly turn it back toward the highway. Okay, good, there it is. Hang on a sec. The drone is below the highway. Let's increase the height. Oh no, I launched at the maximum height, so I can't get it up. And not being able to get it up is always bad. Okay, think. We went straight out, then turned left over the creek. So we were heading this way. So we need to fly this way to get back to the launch site. Where is it? Okay, there's a rock outcrop. That must be where we launched, so we're going to make a beeline for it. Maybe the highway is lower there. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Wait, what's that? That's the car. That's me, and that's the missus. Okay, land. Land, 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 land. Oh my god. Drone, I am so sorry to put you through that. I promise never to fly you again outdoors without a strong GPS fix on the home point. Lesson learned. The end.